and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's get started with today's Minden. Today we're going to do something special. I like to do boat recipes, and by that I mean I like to take a fruit or vegetable and make a boat out of it and have it as a vessel for a sausage or any kind of protein of your choice. And if you check out our website, which is www.mindens.com, you'll see a zucchini and sausage boat recipe that is delicious. And let's try this one and see how this one tastes. So what we're going to do first, we're going to start with a papaya. And we're going to cut it into 4 servings. And you want it to be nice and ripe so that it cuts easily for you. And we're going to use this as our boat. This is going to be so exciting. This way you get your fruit, you get your vegetable, everything all in one, and we're just going to take out the center seeds. Pardon my back. Just going to clean it out for you. And it's a natural fruit, but it's going to still be high in carbs. So instead of using one huge papaya, we're going to cut it in 2 and make 4 boats out of this. A lot of times I'll see something as I'm going through the grocery store, and that's just how I make up my recipes. I'm not reinventing the wheel here. All I'm doing is trying to bring you easy things with as few ingredients as possible, because the less ingredients you have to purchase keeps your grocery costs down, and you can remember you just run in the grocery store and pick up a few items at a time. So what we're going to do is now we're going to slice this in half, and now you get 4 boats. Very simple. We're going to put it right here. The sausages are already cooked. So really all we're doing is warming them up. And I like to use these sausages. I find them at Trader Joe's, and I think we're going to use the sweet apple one today because we're going to have a fruity sensation going on with the apple sausage, with the papaya, and then we're going to use a peach salsa to top it off, and you'll have a great dinner. And you know what? It's fun when you eat things that look pretty. And if you're serving this up for children, it also entices them to eat a fruit. So very simple. We're just gonna kind of make some room for this. And then you're gonna have 1 sausage left over. Just gonna put that right in there. Right on top. And dinner will be ready in about 5 minutes. All you're doing is heating it all up. Pour salsa on top. And there you have it, an interesting, fun dinner that you can make in 5 minutes. If you are eating for yourself, you've just meal prepped for a full 4 days out of the week. And this is even something pretty you can serve for company. Stay tuned to my Instagram page, which is also Minden's, where you'll find a finished photo of the product for how it will look when it's all done. Your shopping list goes up on Saturday, so you can shop along with me and then cook together with me on Monday each week on YouTube. Please subscribe, and thank you for joining, and come in next week and let's cook something together, and I don't know what it will be. Stay tuned to watch.